When you're thinking about starting a business, one of the first things you might wonder is at what point in the entrepreneurial journey do you actually need a website? And what if you don't have a website? Will you be destined to fail? Hi, I'm Alli, and I help budding entrepreneurs like yourself get up and running online with a brand and website that makes an authentic connection with your dream clients. And I don't want anything standing in the way of you getting started. That's why I'm here every week with new tips and tricks on running your online business. So click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, if not having a website is standing in the way of you getting started, then I want you to stop, take a deep breath, shake it off, and let's have a look at some options. One option is to open your doors and start making money without putting a virtual stake in your corner of the online space. You could sell through social media, in-person events, tools like Google My Business, and email, for example. I know some entrepreneurs go ahead and do this and are successful at making profit. The question is, can you sustain a business without a website? And for how long? Soon enough, keeping up with all of the things that you have to do to manually market yourself will burn you out. And you'll see the importance of having a website to use as an automated marketing tool for your business. I know you didn't go into business for yourself because you wanted to spend more time working. So the best time to create a website for your business is as soon as possible. If you're running an online business, then your website acts as your storefront. When your dream client finds you on social media, sees you at an in-person event, or gets an email from you, what do you think the first thing they're going to do is? That's right, you know exactly what they're going to do because it's the same thing you would do. If they're interested in learning more about you, what you do, and how they can work with you, they're going to head straight to your website. And if you don't have a website, it immediately forms a bad impression and you lose legitimacy. You also may lose that potential client to your competitor, you know, the one that does have a website. A whopping 84% of consumers believe that a business that has a website is more credible than one that only has social media profiles. That's huge. But having a website isn't just about being more credible. It will also make running your business online so much easier. You'll more clearly showcase your products and services, more easily answer questions that your potential clients have, show social proof that the results that you're promising are real, and more quickly build relationships with your dream clients. Now, I know that you'd prefer to have a website from the moment you start your business, but you might be lacking in time and money that you think you need to make it happen. The good news is that creating a website for your business doesn't have to be a major investment in time or money, and it also doesn't have to be that complicated. That's why I created my free 30 Days to Launch Playbook. You'll get 30 daily tasks that tell you exactly what you need to do each day to simply and strategically start your business online in just 1 month using only free tools. Sound like a good plan? Head over to dowellwebsites.com/30-day launch to get it and start with your first task today.